Students, welcome to Chapter 7. As you might notice, I'm changing things up a little bit for the next part of our class. That is for Chapters 7 through 9, which happen to be the chapters that will be covered on our next exam. First of all, I'm no longer calling them chapters. I'm now calling them modules. Now don't worry, I'll explain this change momentarily. Here's my purpose. I've flip-taught my classes for over 3 years now, and having done that, I sometimes worry that for you guys, my students, the video watching part of the flip classes might sometimes be a little bit boring and uninteractive. So I want to make them more engaging and more interactive. So for the next 2 exams, I'm changing the format slightly, as you can see in our course schedule right here. After exam 4, I'll ask you guys for feedback on which form of flip learning you guys preferred. So I'm calling this new format module-based flip learning. Thus, each chapter for the next 2 exams will be called a module instead of a chapter. A module is essentially a set of materials devoted to one particular subject. In other words, it's kind of like a chapter. But we're going to call it a module anyway. Here's how it works. For chapters 7 through 9, as you can see here on our schedule, we'll do this module-based flip learning. Quizzes will no longer be taken at the start of class as we've done before. Instead, you will take your quizzes as you watch the videos. For example, for our first module in this series, Module 7, you will click on the Quiz 7 link right here, which will allow you to download the quiz. You can then print it off or just keep it open on your computer. Then you will watch all of the Module 7 videos over the course of a few days as outlined here in our schedule. And you will gradually do the quiz as you watch the videos. My hope is that this will allow you to be a little bit more engaged as you're watching the video so that you're not just sitting there passively and watching them. Once you're all done with your quiz questions and you think you have the right answers all scribbled out or written down or something, you will then return over here to our Canvas page and you will click Quizzes to the left. You then click Quiz 7, scroll down to the bottom and click Take the Quiz. You will then enter in your answers. Now just so you guys know, Canvas will tell you what the correct answers are after you've answered the quizzes, and it will automatically grade it and post your grade into Canvas. The questions, by the way, are all based on standardized organic chemistry questions that have been taken from actual copies of past MCAT exams. The MCAT, by the way, is the entrance exam for medical school. Now, I should mention that you probably won't find any of the exact questions or the exact answers to the quizzes on the videos. However, the videos will cover all of the basic concepts that are covered in the quizzes. My hope is that you'll be able to see the concepts in the videos and then use those concepts to correctly answer the quizzes if you have the quiz in hand. I guess we'll have to wait and see. So that's pretty much it. Until next time, good luck with your studies and good luck working on these new modules. Until I see you guys next time, students, have an enjoyable rest of your day.